Good morning. I am at work. Gonna go in just a second, but figured I'd say good morning and let you guys know on like the smart decision that I decided to make about like trying to save money but like still have food for like lunches at work and stuff. So what I did was I bought myself if I can open this bag. Okay, it's not working. A loaf of bread, and I bought peanut butter and jelly to keep here at work because when I'm getting ready in the morning, I'm not in the mood to like make something. So I wind up coming here with no food and trying to figure something out. We're not eating at all. It's not healthy. So I brought all this stuff to keep in my locker so I'll always have food. Like if I decide, like if I'm just like, I don't want to like deal with anything, I'll like always have food here at work so I'm not starving, which is a good thing. So that's just, and peanut butter and jelly, like a loaf of bread will last me a bit, and that stuff will last me a bit. It's relatively cheap, so it's a good idea, and it's delicious. I know it's not like the healthiest thing in the world, but there could be worse things I could be having, so I'm happy. So now I'm just gonna go in there and start my day. I hope today goes fast. I don't even know my schedule for next week, but I will know when I get inside. ate at Chipotle. It's funny, I was at work and then I came home, obviously, and then Tony was sitting outside in the car, so I didn't even go inside the house. We just came right back out. We were jet setting all over the place.
Winging about.
Because I had to get some like clothes, so I wasn't wearing like my PetSmart stuff. So I got this Sharknado shirt. Hopefully you can see it. I'm not sure if you can, but we just had really yummy Chipotle, and I was craving Chipotle actually, because we were talking about Chipotle at work or something like that. So
it's like we're meant for each other.
I was gonna say I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry because I just ate. But I am so happy we came here, and yummy! I love Chipotle. What do you get at Chipotle? I get carnitas tacos or carnitas burritos usually, and then we get like a side of rice and all that good stuff. So we are home now. We're walking. See him all the way up there pulling me. What? Excuse you, that where are you going?
Oh no.
What? It's a dead baby bird. Probably a cat got it or something. So sad. Anyway, we are back from our... Oh, sorry.
Ow. I'm suing.
I'm sorry.
I'm suing you. It's gonna be Tony's vlog too.
No. Here you go.
Hi guys.
We went to Target after... Ah! Wait, come on, pup. There's like all bugs in that grass. We went to Target after Chipotle, and it was glorious. Oh, I mean, I guess Chipotle was glorious. I don't know about Target so much. Anyway, I'm tired. It's already like 7:30. What are you doing? That's garbage. Yeah, it's close to 7:30 already. I don't even have today's vlog up, which is sorry about that from yesterday, but I didn't get home until now. Usually I get home. Anyway, so yes, the vlog is up late today. I apologize. And there's ants all there, pup. I don't like coming up here. There's all sorts of bugs and stuff. We're turning around. We're gonna turn around. Oh my gosh, the sun's in my face. Oh, here. We're gonna go on the street. You guys, let me know if there's cars behind me. And then I'll read them tomorrow. Okay. So anyway, I don't have a day off until Friday. So that's just like all I'm thinking about. Like, oh my gosh, I have so much work and no day off, but it's really not that bad. But I'm already tired. I'm already tired, and it didn't even happen yet. So, you know, just things in my mind and my brain stuff and whatever and whatnot and so forth.
Getting your mind on your money and your money on your money.
Yeah, that. Mind on the mind. Word. I totally forgot. Oh, I guess we're not. I guess we're not done yet. I totally forgot to mention or ask you guys. In the vlog today, this vlog that you're watching right now, I put in clips from work of a couple of the animals eating. A snake, a king snake, and a Pac-Man frog eating. And the other day I did like the bearded dragon and a chameleon. If you keep wanting to see more stuff from work like that, let me know. I kind of like showing them off. I'm like so passionate about animals. I love animals. I love our animals, and I want them to go to good homes. So I figured I put videos out there, you know, what they're like and stuff. So I just, I don't know. I'm gonna put in the vlogs just because I like them, but just I want to know if you guys are interested in the animals that we have and what they're all about, and what they look like, and what their names are, and how they eat and stuff. So let me know in the comments if you just want me to keep that stuff out. Doesn't mean I'll listen, because I do what I want, but I just want to know, so let me know. But snakes eating are kind of cool, but I know not everybody's into that. That's why at first I was like, I don't know if I should put it in, but I'm gonna. it's about that time where I say goodnight for the second time, because the first time I filmed this, it came out blurry, so I'm doing it again. I just pulled back the curtain and showed you my... Yeah, so it's that kind of night right now. I need to go to bed. So I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed or something. And good night.